head is so hot. No, seriously. Oh gosh, I burned my hand. I finally found you. Cause I was like, baby, 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 where did you go? Oh, baby, 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 where did you go? Baby, 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 where did you go? I thought your nose was beyond my neck, whatever it's called.
Hey, you wanna see my new pet?
Sure.
This is taking too long.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, the door's locked. I'll just have to go through the doggy door. This must be the place. Grandma's house. Oh, the door's locked. I'll just have to go through the doggy door.
Everybody, hi!
Oh gosh. Oh man. Guess no one's here. Whoa, Grandma has a lot of shoes. Whoops. There's a person in the bathroom, and I'm pretty sure that is not Grandma. It's Hannah Montana. Whoa, yeah. Hey, can you sing a song?
Sure.
Whoa, did I just step on a head? No, I guess that's just my imagination. Whee! Oh my gosh! There's burglars in the house! Ah!
Let's boogie!
Okay, I'll sing. La 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 la.
That's some pretty bad music.
Okay, we'll have Hannah Montana sing. Hannah, hit it! Woohoo!
Hey, do you guys want to see a trick?
Yeah!
No, hey.
Oh my gosh, you're like a...
Where does Amelia go if she wants to go to the bathroom?